Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to create guest account in Windows 10. Type netplwiz in Windows search bar. Click netplwiz. Click Add. Click Sign in without a Microsoft account. Click Local account. Type username. Click Next. Click Finish. Select username, click Properties. Click Group Membership tab. Check Others and select Guest. Click Apply, OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.